All right, this is a tutorial on how to create the efficiency spreadsheet for the West Point bridge design. I'm going to use this bridge because I just changed a few things, and so it's going to be easier to do. So first we need to, you'll see I've got this status, means it's untested because I changed a few members. Let me run the test. I think my truck, yeah, it's good. As long as I see that little green arrow. So I will exit that. And so now I can click on this right here of my load results. I can copy this to clipboard, go to my spreadsheet where I have an empty one here, and I can paste it, Control V, okay, and to make things fit a little bit, oops, let me highlight all of these. Actually, I'll highlight them all a little more. And I will right click and do column width and about, that's even more than I need. Okay. Make it 12. Okay. I needed to see these, a couple of numbers here. All right, so these are all my numbers. These are the sizes. I just did solid bar, again, carbon steel to make it easy. This is the compression force and strength. So I need to do this ratio to see what percent they are. And so right here, I do enter, and I just do compression force divided by compression strength and hit enter. I actually want this to be as a percent, so I'm going to come down here, right click, format cell, percentage, 1 decimal place, and do that. Then this little corner right here, I click and drag it all the way down the bottom. And that copies it down. So I can see all of my different ones. I do the same thing. This is, I'm going to call this CF over S. So I remember what's what. And this will be tension, force divided by strength. And I do the same thing here. Enter. Tension force divided by tension strength, enter, whoops. What's wrong with that? Try that again. Equals, I want this number divided by this number, and enter. There we go. And right click, format, percent. This is the easiest way to do it, at least for me, to get the percentage. You can do it in your commands, but I'm not quite sure what I got to do. So bring that down here. Okay, so this shows your percentage. In reality, you want that to be as high without going over 100. That makes the most efficient bridge. Okay, here they want me to find the mass, so I need to find the volume to find the mass. So these are 140 by 140. So in millimeters, I want this in square meters. So I'm going to do it as a formula, 0.14 squared. Okay, and normally you would have about 5 or 6 different ones here. I changed ones where right there. So I'm going to do this just so that I have to do 2 of them. So you just copy it down to however many you had. And here I did these at, this is 0.120, so equals 0.12, shift, enter. Okay, sorry. I need to put a 2 in there. There we go. And then all of those are the same size, so I'll copy that down to there. Okay, so now that I've got my volume, I go back to my bridge, member details, and it's 77,850 kilograms per cubic meter. So I come over here, and my mass is volume times density. So it's going to be my volume times 7850. Density goes mass over volume. Mass equals density times volume. And I hit enter. Come all the way down. Okay. Here, in this one over here, I'm going to put total mass right here equals sum of all of these close my parentheses, total mass. Now, what did I have to do? I don't know. Let's go see. I needed to find the so I need to convert my mass to force and then find the efficiency load of the bridge. Okay, so first we'll do that. It's just going to be, right, let me double check. I want to multiply it times 9.8. Okay, total force. And then, so that's my weight of the bridge. And then I want to take the load and divide it by the weight. And let's see, where do I find the load? I had to screw on because it was right here. In the setup wizard, the load of the bridge was 480,000 newtons. So that's my load of my bridge. So coming back down here, my structural efficiency is the load of the bridge, 480,000 divided by mine. So that is called the structural efficiency. It's going to be 480,000. Okay. 480, 1, 2, 3, divided by this. And we'll just do that and turn in a percent. How's that? Oh, no, that's not. This would actually be my structural efficiency. And let's percentile that, make it look a little cleaner. Oh, no, not percentile, sorry. If I do that, then I don't need this. I forget. Okay. Which apparently is okay because this was 245. So over 100 is not a big deal. Okay. And then the design efficiency is the cost divided by it. So my cost was, can I just copy just that? No. 489,732. Sorry, equals 489,732 divided by my load percentage, correct? Yes. But I think that's off by a factor of 10, 100, I think. In order to get my calculation right, I had to do this. I had to go back to get rid of that percentage. Otherwise, I had to do things. So times 100. And then that gives me right. 1022% is my design efficiency. So those are the things that they are looking for here: structural efficiency, design efficiency. So it wasn't too bad. By completing these, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so that's how you would find these things right here. Okay, and here, let me do this. That's the stuff that they're asking you to calculate. Okay, and there you go.